different. Not making anything, but we're making up a sauce. Now, I don't have any squeeze bottles, I don't think. Don't even have any that I could empty. So that kind of sucks. But, just gonna do it anyway. Start out with some buffalo sauce of your choosing. Now, I'm not measuring this shit yet, but just, you know, want a hefty cone and get some kicking barbecue, any barbecue sauce really, but I'm using Red Hot Frank's. Do decent amount there. And yeah, not measuring, but fuck it. Then, now you can put them in differently or whatever, but I'm gonna put some normal hot sauce, few fucking things of that. This is where it kind of gets weird. I'd say. Get some ranch. Do about half, well not half, but like, yeah, half a circle I guess. Get some honey. Decent amount of that, and then voila, the orange. And just squeeze a bit in. Now it looks but actually it's good. And it should have like a orange-ish look. Yeah, there we go. I mean, yeah. She is pretty good.